everyone, welcome back to another video. So my daughter Zara says she want her hair done like Gracie's Corner, and I think she was referring to the big afro puffs, the two curly afro puffs that she wears in her videos. But my daughter hair is too long for that, so I just did poofy space buns, but I added some extra in the back to give it some style. So right here, as you can see, I did a part down the middle of her head, and now I am doing a part down the sides of her head, and then later I'll do a part right down the middle part of the back section, just so I can create 4 ponytails in the back and 2 at the top. I didn't have my braiding comb, which I normally would use to part her hair, so I am going with the comb that I have in this video, and we're just gonna have to make it work. So what I normally do is secure each ponytail, so I don't really do it one by one. I secure each ponytail so I don't have to go back and like perfect each part. That way it's already sectioned off and ready to style. Now that her parts are sectioned off, I am going in with water to hydrate her hair, and then I will go in with the leave-in conditioner can too, and I'll moisturize her hair with that to have it to last longer. So when doing these ponytails, I do them right in the middle of the section of hair. I'm not going to pull that ponytail down low because then it will look weird when I start to braid it and connect the ponytails together. So you just do it right in the middle of that section. As you can see, before I start any braiding, I'm moisturizing all ponytails just to make sure that they're moisturized and ready to go. So when I start connecting the ponytails, they're all moisturized already and it just looks very sleek. about my daughter's nose, y'all. She has really bad allergies, yearly allergies, so she always gets stuffy. All the ponytails are done and moisturized. I am detangling the section of hair so I can start braiding, just so the braid can be very smooth and polished. As you can see, I do not braid her hair all the way down to the ends because I will have to connect it, and I know where it's going to stop as far as where I will connect the braid at. And so I just go ahead and secure it with a rubber band and just connect that one and then move right on to the next one. showing you the zigzag pattern or the X pattern that I am doing to connect all her braids. I connect all the ponytails all the way up to the very top of her hair. I love this design. It is so pretty and it do last long for her. Right here she's telling me how she wants the front of her hair and a bun just up, so she's demonstrating how she wants it to look like. I think she really wanted the afro look, but like I was telling her, her hair is too long for the afro look, unless if I would have had it dried and picked out more. But I told her I'm gonna just go ahead and just do it in 2 poofy buns. That way it still looks similar to the afro puff look. So right here, I'm spraying down the edges of her hair with water because it gives her baby hair a sleek look and it dries that way because of the leave-in conditioner. So it just looks really pretty and nice. Trying to secure that bun a little tighter just because my daughter is a little wild and I really don't want these buns to come apart, and plus she has to sleep with it at night and she does use a silk bonnet at night, but she's still pretty wild, so I'm trying to secure it to make it last. Right here I'm showing you guys the finished product. This came out really nice, really cute and pretty. And I know the back will last, but I'm not sure about the front. I may have to braid that and create buns because I have done that before, but this is a really cute hairstyle for a girl her age. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.